Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your location preferences on Plenty of Fish. Now first of all, open your web browser and type in www.pof.com. Now after typing this, you will be on the official website of Plenty of Fish dating app. Now go to search, that is on the top page of this website, and scroll down a little bit, and as you can see on the right corner of this web page, go to location. Now click on the location. Now as you can see, you can change the location preferences if you want to meet other persons or other users from different locations. So I'm going to put Japan or New Zealand for now, and the state will be automatically picked, or you can also change it and click on go fishing. Now as you can see, it has got me New Zealand's users of Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.